Welcome back, everyone. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. Happy Friday. So glad that you're here. First off, I want to thank everyone who've made recent purchases on my online store. It's much appreciated. I am getting closer and closer to my goal that I'll be adding more stock. But thank you. It's much appreciated. So I was going through my stock and I noticed there was a colorway that I've had for months laying around here and has not moved. And I even knitted a pair of socks with it. I thought it was pretty, but it is still sitting here. So today, we're gonna over dye this to try to make it more enticing. All right, let's get started. lighting in here doesn't do the colors justice. However, take a look at this. That was the original. That was more spring. Just by playing on these tones, I made it more fall-ish. All right, guys, gotta get it posted. Hope this entices a little bit more sales. As always, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.